Hello traders and welcome back to Trading with Bill, Options and Forex on a Tuesday, my friends, July 22nd, 2014. Great to be with you, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Sunny skies, hot weather, white sandy beaches. Traders, great to be with you. This is going to be a short video today. I am running late and, well, it is what it is. But we're going to move on. Got some things to talk about options and we're going to take a look at one currency pair today. So let's get over to the risk disclaimer and talk about the legal stuff. Traders, Forex and options trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options and Forex markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. All right, past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. So that's about the risk disclaimer. Traders, basically, if you're trading on the edge of your seat because financially you're not ready to trade the live markets, go to a demo account. Relieve yourself of the stress until you can trade the live markets comfortably in your financial situation. All right, traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday, and they call me Bill. Traders, I was trading in 2006. I went full-time in 2008. After retiring out of the great state of Florida, came to Thailand for a 3-month vacation, and well, I'm still here. And it's 2014 and I'm having a great time. Love my second career, having fun trading options and Forex. I do it every single trading day. I'm in the markets, I'm at the charts. I just love what I do, and I really enjoy speaking with you every day. All right, let's move along here. Let's talk about some options update. Okay, this is the options update. We got into an options trade last night by accident, to tell you the truth. Actually, I ended up in an option that I wasn't prepared to get into, and I thought it was a different option. And I hit the button and realized I was in the wrong option. At that time, it already had executed, and it worked out because I looked at my platform this morning and I'm in profit. So that's a good thing. All right, let's take a look at this. This is a bull put, and this is on Blackstone, and this is the chart. So you can see Blackstone had earnings, and that's what sort of got me excited about this, was that yesterday Blackstone had earnings, and it actually pulled up on the high. So it actually broke the high of 35.78. So I got in this bull put, and we entered it at 36. So we're in profit, and if this goes above 36, that'll be great. I'm hoping that, see, I made a couple mistakes here, my friends. This, I should have waited another day, but I'm trying to get my days in earlier than Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm finding that I think if we can get in earlier, I don't like to trade over the weekend, right? I don't want to get in on a Friday unless I put it out another week, which means I'm going to be in the trade 2 weeks instead of 1 week. And that's a very strong possibility. We might go down that road. But I'm finding getting into a trade on Tuesday or Wednesday is too late, because I want to be out Friday at the open, not Friday at the close, because Friday at the close is 3 o'clock in the morning my time. So I want to get out at the open. So this is a 36-34 bull put. And, this is what we got here, and if we can get above 36, we can make some good profit on this pair. If this does what I hope it does, and that is it gets up to like 37.40, this could be a very profitable trade. I'm in 3 contracts on this, and we'll see how this goes. My margin requirement was $600, and we can basically make $240 on this if this continues. My concern is that we are now at resistance, and that I don't like. But I hope we get a gap up today. The markets closed horrible yesterday in New York. I looked at that when I arose this morning in Thailand. So the markets really closed pretty horribly. And like I said, we're just hoping that we can get a bounce to the upside. And if we can get a bounce to the upside at the open, that would be great. I'd like to just make sure I'm in this safely, and I don't have to worry about it. But, it is what it is. but we're trying to figure out how we can get into these trades earlier and get more active in the markets. I was just bringing up on my other screen here. Yeah, all the markets were in the red yesterday. S&P 500 closed negative 0.23%, Nasdaq 100 0.15%, and the Dow closed 0.28%. So they were all in the negative at the close of New York trading. So hopefully we'll get a green day and these will pop back up again. All right, let's take a look at a chart. This is what we call a profit chart. Let's take a look at this. This will give you a pretty clear picture of basically what's going on this chart. And you can see where we're at. You can see where we're at resistance. We've taken out the previous high, if you look left of the chart. And this is my concern. And like I said, I'm just hoping that this will just pop up and give us what we want here. We can have a nice rest of the week. So, like I said, I want to be out of this Friday in New York open and not New York close. So, you know, that's what we're looking at. It looks like a nice trade. We're going to be looking at getting in the SPYs tonight, possibly maybe with a Russell. So we'll see how the markets look. They just didn't look good at all when I looked yesterday at the open. So I didn't jump into anything. Right? Very cautious about what I'm in. I really like this because it was a close. It was after the earnings, so that was really nice. All right, my friends, we only got one currency pair to look at today, so how about we head on over to the Forex charts, and here we go. This is the Euro-Yen. This is a daily chart. You can see we're below the 200 exponential moving average. We are in a downtrend. This has worked out very nice. In fact, this is probably the best currency pair. All of last week was the Euro-Yen. It just performed beautifully. So we're looking at that, and we're looking to continue to take this bias to the downside. So let's go over to 60-minute chart, see what we got. Okay, so we want to take this to the short side. However, we don't want to take it short at the current price. The reason we don't want to take this short at the current price is because we're coming up to that psychological area of 1.3700. We don't want to be shorting into major support at that price level. Also, it's the daily pivot point in that area. So I don't want to be shorting there. So it needs to close below 3,700 and we can take this short. If you look at that Williams %R indicator at the bottom of the chart, that thing is pointing straight up. So this might take a little while to get in. We'll just have to really keep a very close eye on it, but I'm very interested in jumping in on this bandwagon. Look at where our take profit is at the 161 fib extension. You can see the powder blue dot there, and that's looking very nice. Where's our stop? It's just above where price is now. And what's that, 137.40, and we're just gonna take this short, but I'm not getting in this now. I'm gonna wait for this to come down. It's got to close below that pivot point at 137.00 before I'm gonna even think about getting into this trade. All right, let's traders go over to the next chart. This is the Euro Yen on the 15-minute chart, and again we're in the same situation here. I want to enter this trade after we get down below that 137 level. Look at we have a deviation settlement level and a 200 exponential moving average, which is that green line. Let's get below that and then let's short this thing, and we can take this all the way down to where the powder blue dot is on the bottom of the chart there, just above that deviation level. So this is looking like a nice trade. It just needs to formulate and get us in there. So that's what's going on with this. Traders, if you're wondering what charts I use the NinjaTrader trading platform. They are not a broker. However, they do support over 100 brokers worldwide. So take a look at NinjaTrader platform. It's an awesome trading platform. Traders, I've been in trading since 2006, and I will tell you, this trading platform ranks #1 in my opinion. If you're going to trade professionally, even if you're part-time, trade professional, have professional charts. You will thank me later. All right. Thank you, my friends, for joining me on a beautiful, hot, sunny day in Pattaya, Thailand, coming to you live. And we are 30 minutes into the London Open, so let me get this up onto the YouTube channel. Traders, till tomorrow, have a safe and happy trading day, and talk at you later. Bye-bye, my friends. Ciao.